Wow, this leaf is delicious. I wonder how I get energy from it.
I can help you with that. Photosynthesis starts with carbon dioxide, water, and the sun. Photosynthesis is the process where plants and other organisms use sunlight to make food from carbon dioxide and water. Sunlight then breaks the chemical bonds and molecules, creating glucose in the leaf and oxygen. How are animals involved in this process?
Oh, I know that one. Cellular respiration is when a living organism takes the glucose from the photosynthesis process and oxygen, and when they consume that in the mitochondria. They release carbon dioxide, water, and ATP energy. This gives us, and all living things, energy to move around and do things.
Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both ways of creating energy for plants.
As well for all living things. They both have their own different reactants, giving us products that both create energy.
And that is the relationship between photosynthesis and cellular respiration.